It's been 2 years, 3 months, 26 days since Anjanette Young was handcuffed, no clothes, and her home was wrongly raided by Chicago police. Despite months of public promises from Mayor Lori Lightfoot, the city and Young are no closer to resolving this case in court. CBS 2 Investigator Megan Hickey joins us live. Megan, the mayor said repeatedly she would make it a priority to settle this case quickly.
Right, Brad, that was about 6 months ago, and today Anjanette Young and her attorney called out the city for dragging its feet, but the city says they have made attempts to settle. Six months after we first exposed this video of Chicago police wrongly raiding Anjanette Young's home, she says she's still waiting for closure. On December 16th, Mayor Lightfoot publicly apologized to Young at a news conference and later met with her in private, but in the courtroom, neither side is seeing eye to eye.
We're beyond sitting down with her anymore. We've done that, and it didn't result in any action. So my words to her, Mayor Lightfoot, you have continued to deny and lie as it relates to this case. You continue to stand in front of the cameras and say that you want to resolve this. Either you step up and make real action towards my case and resolve this for me, or we'll see you at trial.
Now, today, Young's attorney, Keenan Salter, showed us an email where the city said it would file a motion to dismiss the lawsuit. A spokesperson for the city's law department said that Salter, quote, chose to reject the city's offers and walked away from further settlement discussions. In light of Mr. Salter's decision, we have no choice but to litigate. That statement read in part. Now, Salter today said that was not true and that it was the city that walked away from the discussion. Reporting live, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.
Megan, thank you.